because you made the one crucial mistake. You didn't start with getting flong and sexable. Fabulous. You can't get fitter if you're getting injured all of the time. And you're never going to eat correctly if you're riddled with aches and pains. And you're never going to take up that new hobby if you feel like your body is letting you down. That's why it's best to start your new year by improving how you move first.
But how do I start?
That's easy. The Simplistic Mobility Method shows you exactly how to get strong and flexible, so you can do the things that you love.
Exactly! And when you start the new year building a new you, there's no telling what you could do next. Find out more at tommorrison.uk.